with men in charge, men and ladies in charge on the track this afternoon. All right, here we go. Our first one down the track, Jerry Salisbury. Jerry, our test 4 in a good-looking International 706 this afternoon. Jared Salisbury on the nose side, 4010 John Deere, 8,500-pound Hallmark Farm Class. South of the track he comes on the south side, Corey Rourke with the 01 Dodge. Corey Rourke with the 01 Dodge. And she comes up, Jared gets another release on life and he. Track of the 1066. Up she goes in the air, and he's still moving, fans. He is still moving. And the flag for the flag team down 2 blocks. The big case comes down the track. The Kaiser family right there. 1030 case. Steve at the helm right there. Thanks for coming out. Always nice to talk to the Kaiser family. Thanks for being out. He said to last, he's coming back. Pops her off the line like a 15-year-old boy. Some kids never go off. Just look at Jack Turner. First grade whip of diesel smoke for the racetrackers on the track. Side, Wayne Brayer down the track. On the north side, here we go. Sam Kenny, listen to the horn. Remember, that horn blows 3 times and you are out of that 966. 5 mile an hour. Now you can go as hard as you want. Now you watch these flags as they come down the track. Once they come off the track right now, there we go, the International 1066.